Hi there, Jonathan Coleman here with Clip's Tips, here to talk about creating renewal proposals using Clip and Microsoft Mail Merge. In this video we're going to go over steps 1 and 2, creating the folder and creating your report in Clip. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to open our My Documents or Documents folder. Next thing we're going to do is create a new folder, and we'll call this folder 2012 Renewals. Alright, so we're going to open this folder and leave that open. Next thing we're going to do is open our Clip program, or switch to it if you already have it open. And what we're going to be using is user-defined lists. User-defined lists are a way for you to create a report that Clip may not generate itself. And one of the benefits of this report is that it can be exported to Excel or as a straight into Microsoft Word as a mail merge. So in order to access custom reports, you're going to go to Reports, Custom Reports, then User Defined List. So what we're going to do is create a new report by clicking New. We're going to call this 2012 Renewals and click OK. The next thing we have to do is make sure that our database set is set to Customer and Job, because that's the databases that we're pulling from. Next step is to choose the fields that we want to include on our report. This is going to be the information that you need to appropriately fill out the contract. So if I click Fields here, we can clear any existing fields by clicking the Clear All button. And next we're going to select the fields that we want to include in this report. So I'm going to choose property name, customer number, property address, property city, state, zip, as well as billing name, billing address, city, state, and zip code. That's all in the customer section, and if we scroll down we will get eventually to the job section denoted by JB dot, and what we're going to choose in this scenario is we're going to choose our job name, and we're going to choose our charge per job, and then we're also going to choose any other information that might be included in the contract, such as minimum and maximum number of times per year, and any other information that you may want to show on the report. So I'm going to go ahead and click Return once we've selected all of our fields. The next thing we're going to do is select our condition. For us, we're doing only customers that are active, so one of our conditions is going to be customer status is active. So in order to do that, I double click on customer status, then click equals, and then type in all caps active, and then click Enter on my keyboard. We're also going to add another condition, so I'm going to click and add another condition, and we also want to select which job number or numbers we're working with. In this example, we're just creating a simple lawn mowing proposal. For us, lawn mowing is job number 1, so I'm going to double click on job number. I'm going to say equals 1, enter, and add another condition. I'm going to add one more condition, and that would be that the last visit date is greater than September 1st of 2011. What this is enabling me to do is get only customers who had service with us, mowing service, since September 1st, 2011. And I'm going to click Enter. Any other conditions that apply, you can search through these fields and make up any other conditions that may be necessary for your proposal. So I'm going to click Use this condition. Next thing I'm going to do is click Make List. It's going to ask me when to save changes. I hit Yes. And it's going to ask me how to export it. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to export it to Excel because I may want to create a few different formulas and things like that to be able to create the proposal. So I'm going to click to Excel sheet and proceed. Now we're going to navigate to our Documents folder and find the folder that we created. And we're looking for 2012 Renewals. There we go. So I click Open, and then I'm going to name my Excel file something like 2012 Renewal Proposal Spreadsheet. And I'm going to click Save. Clip is going to ask me if I want to open Excel with the new file. Feel free to hit yes or no. I'm going to click yes so we can view it. And in a moment, Excel will open up with the file that was created. And here you can see a list of all the customers that had service after September 1st, 2011, along with their addresses. And if I scroll to the right, I can see the name of the job, I can see the charge, and then the minimum and maximum numbers. That wraps up this video. Please proceed on to the next for more instruction.